Mabuhay, thank you for calling MCLI Hotel. This is Jerome speaking. How may I assist you today?
Hi, Jerome. I'd like to book a room for my parents' anniversary in December.
I'll be happy to assist, ma'am. May I know your check-in date and how many nights they will be staying?
Okay, they'll check in on December 14 and stay there for 2 nights.
Okay, thank you, Miss Hart. Allow me a moment to check for the availability. That's December 14. I sincerely apologize, ma'am, but our rooms are fully booked from December 14 to 16 due to a prior group reservation.
Okay.
May I suggest alternative dates? We have availability in our presidential suite from December 13 to 15. And it's a perfect for a celebration and we'd be happy to accommodate your anniversary arrangements then.
Okay, we'll take that date.
Alright, so let's proceed with those dates and that's December 13 to 15 for 2 nights. And how many guests will be staying?
2 adults.
Thank you. What room category would you prefer?
Can you recommend me some? Because I'm not familiar.
Okay, so based on that, I highly recommended our presidential suite, which includes all meals, premium amenities, a non-smoking room with a city view, and a special touch. We will prepare champagne upon arrival for the anniversary.
Oh, that sounds perfect. I would like that.
May I know the preferred mode of payment?
Okay, they'll be paying in cash. I understand a deposit is required for the first night.
That's correct. For cash-paying guests, we require a first night deposit upon check-in plus 3,000 pesos incidental deposit, which is refundable if unused. So let me provide the full cost breakdown. Your parents will be staying in the presidential suite, which costs 18,000 per night. And you will be staying for 2 nights with a subtotal of 36,000 pesos. And you will be charged, please be informed that you will be charged by 10% for the service charge, 12% for the value-added tax, and 8% local tax. For the champagne arrival charge, it costs 1,950 with taxes, with a total amount of 49,182 pesos. Please also note that check-in time is 2 p.m. and check-out time is 12 in the afternoon. Early check-in and late check-out are subject to availability and additional changes.
Noted. Thank you.
May I have the names of the guests, their contact number, and email address?
Okay. It will be Mr. Diamond Berganyo, my father, my mother, Mrs. Spade Berganyo. For the contact number, it's 0981-123-4334. And for the email, it's diamondspade@gmail.com.
Thank you. Let me spell those out for verification purposes. For Diamond Berganyo, your father, it spells Delta India Alpha Mike Oscar November Delta, Bravo Echo Romeo Golf Alpha November India Oscar. For your mom, Spade Berganyo, Sierra Papa Alpha Delta Echo, Bravo Echo Romeo Golf Alpha November India Oscar. And for your email address, let me reiterate, diamondspade@gmail.com.
That's all correct.
Wonderful. Here is a summary of your reservation. For guests, we have Mr. and Mrs. Berganyo, who will be checking on December 13th and will be checking out on December 15th for 2 nights. And they will be staying in our presidential suite, which includes all meals, non-smoking, city view, and champagne on arrival. They prefer to pay in cash and they must have their deposit upon their arrival. For the first night rate, it is 23,400 including the tax plus 3,000 incidental deposit. For a special request, the anniversary champagne setup that comes to the total bill of 49,182 pesos. Again, let me remind you that your check-in time will be on 2 in the afternoon and the check-out time will be on 12 in the afternoon by the second day. For the terms and conditions, Cancellations made less than 48 hours before check-in will be charged one night plus taxes. Second, champagne and deposits are non-refundable unless cancelled at least 72 hours prior. And lastly, full payment required at check-in in cash.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ms. Hart. Your confirmation number is 061525. Jerome, that's June 15, 2025, and my name.
Got it. Thank you so much.
Alright, you're most welcome, Ms. Hart. We look forward to welcoming Mr. and Mrs. Bergania on December 13. Should you need anything else, feel free to reach out and have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Jerome.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.